Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Oculus account using the MetaQuest application on your mobile device. So let's dive ahead into the video. First of all, launch Open MetaQuest application from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your account if needed. After signing in, tap on Menu at the bottom right hand corner. From the menu option, tap on Settings. Select Account Settings option at the very top and tap on Continue to end up inside auth.meta.com website. Now scroll down and you will see an option to delete your account. Simply tap Delete your account and then follow through the deletion process. Before that, you will need to re-enter your Meta account's password, just to make sure that it is you who's making the change. Now tap on Login, and once you have, you will come across this page. Make sure to go through the information first. After you are ready to delete all of your data associated with the account, tap on Delete your data. It may take up to 90 days from the beginning of the deletion process to delete all of your information. So after you tap on Delete your data, your information will no longer be visible to anyone. During the grace period, if you decide to log into your account, you will be able to cancel the deletion request. So that's how you can easily delete your Oculus account using the MetaQuest application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.